Now, see the problem number 3. 12CR equals to 495. Find the possible values of R. So, 12CR equals to 495. 12CR formula, NCR formula, n factorial by 12 factorial by 12 minus R factorial into R factorial. The formula is NCR equals to n factorial by n minus R factorial times of R factorial. So equals to 495. 12 factorial by 12 minus R factorial into R factorial. 495 can be written as 11 times 45. 11 4 is 11 5 is. Okay. So 11 times 45 can be written as 9 times of 5. Say the left hand side starts with 12. So multiply numerator and denominator with 12. 12 into 9, 11 into 9 into 5 by 12. Multiply numerator and denominator with 12. So 12 into 11 into 9. So 10 is missing here. So here 5 is there. So multiply with numerator and denominator with 2. 2 is there. So 12. So now 12 times 11 times 5 times 2 10 into 9 by 12 can be written as 4 times 3 into 2. Write 1. Any number into 1 is same number. So now 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 by 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So multiply numerator and denominator with 8 factorial. Now see 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 factorial is 12 factorial by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 4 factorial into 8 factorial. What is this? 12 factorial by 12 minus R factorial into R factorial. See now 12 factorial by 4 can be written as 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. So 12 minus 8 factorial into 8 factorial. Now see n factorial by 12 factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial. What is the value of R? Therefore R equals to 4. This is first condition. Next same. That equals to 12 by 12 factorial by, write 4 as is. 8 factorial can be written as 12 minus 4 factorial. 12 minus 4 is how much? 8. So 12 minus 4 factorial. Now see n factorial by, this is how the form, n factorial by n minus R factorial. 12 minus 4 factorial. N minus R factorial into R factorial. So what is the value of R now? Therefore R equals to, in this case 8 is the R. Second case R equals to, see R equals to 4.